Good morning, YouTube. Check it out. This bridge is so cool. Frontier Recovery checking in. Randy and I just drove, I don't know, hour and a half or so to Mishawaka, Indiana. And this is our first bridge. So we're gonna go get set up and I'll be back. All right, guys, so we are all set up. Randy's got his magnet and he's ready to go. I got my magnet and I am ready to go. So let's have our first throws and see what we can find. All the way here in Mishawaka, Indiana. Oh, that did not go very far. That wasn't my best first throw, that's for sure. And I even had my Wheaties this morning. What'd she do? Oh, Randy. Not supposed to do that. Oh. Right? I don't think I got anything, but I also didn't get a very good first throw. So, I'll stick around, guys. I'm gonna let Randy throw his still. See what he gets on his first throw. All I got was some rocks. All right, so I finally got some. It's kind of heavy. I'm gonna have Randy throw his magnet down there and we're gonna team lift this one. Oh, there we go. Oh, shoot, still heavy. Dang, okay, sorry, I wasn't ready yet. All right, there we go.
I think it's a fan cover.
Right, a fan cover wouldn't be that heavy. Okay. All right, we're gonna hit the bridge. Whew.
Wow.
Oh, there we go. Oh, what is that? Ew. 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 What is that? Oh, it's a crawfish. He's hanging out in there. What is that? I don't even know.
Yeah, it's old.
Huh. Oh, I think I got my first. Oh, wait, that's not rebar. I thought I had rebar. Got the first fence posty mabobber of the day. It's been a while since I got anything. Looks like I just got some old nails and screws or something of that sort. Randy got us a big old piece of rebar. That's a long one. Not too shabby, Randy. Nice. Got what looks to be like a bicycle handle. See the little ribbons on the handlebar? Yeah. Eh. Nice. Woo, we're not gonna ride nowhere on this one. What did Randy catch now? Looks like, oh, he got smacked in the face almost. Rebar, maybe? And just some, no?
That straight iron.
Oh, it's that iron, yeah. All right. Maybe a piece of a 55-gallon drum or something. I don't even know what that is. So we got something down here on the magnet. Let's see what we got. What do you got? That like a... That looks like a metal tire from a bicycle or something, maybe. Look at all this fishing line. Wow. That is pretty crazy. Oh, and there went the metal because of all the stinking fishing line. Yeah. All right, so what do I got? Got a piece of green rebar. And I don't know what that is. I'm gonna act like I do, but I don't. What is this? Just looks like a curly cue of rebar. I think I got a curly Q of rebar. Yep. That one's been down there for a while, guys. Whew. What is this thing? I have no clue. Randy just got a bike rim, spokes and all. Look at all the clams in that thing. That's funny. I got a giant piece of rebar, I think, here. Oh my God, it's heavy. That's for sure. Yep, it's a giant piece of rebar. Oh, holy Moses! What is this? Oh, I don't even see anything yet. Ah, it's another piece of rebar. Looks like. Yep, just another piece of rebar. Ooh, this one's not heavy at least. Ooh, look at the clams on that. Jeez. That's been down there for a while. All right, let's go see what Randy's got now, guys. I'm not sure. I couldn't tell. Oh, yeah, it could be like a 55-gallon barrel thingy-mabob. What is that other thing on there, though? That little thing. I don't know. Can't tell. No, I guess not. I don't know what it was. That's weird. Oh, it's like a smashed can. It is. It's one of those snus things, the chewing tobacco cans. I found one of those the other day when I was metal detecting, actually. All right, let's see what this is. I think it's a knife. I really do. It is a knife. It's a knife. It's a steak knife, I think. A kitchen knife. Yeah, I found a knife today. It's really light. Yeah, I found a knife. It's like a kitchen knife, I think, though. Oh my goodness, what is this? It's like a... I don't even know what it is, to be honest. And I just got a broken bolt. Ugh. What in earth is this? What is this? Looks like a brake drum. All right. Kind of looks like a pulley, I guess, maybe, or a brake drum thingy-mabobber, or what is that?
Looks like me. I don't know.
Could that be a train wheel? No, that's not what they look like.
I'm thinking it's an old, your old wagon wheel.
All right.
Because that's not rubber.
No, I don't know what that is.
That's part of a. I don't know, Sonny.
Yeah, you are.
A lot of barnacles.
A lot of barnacles. Thank you. Yeah, we chose this bridge here in Mishawaka because back in 1859 there was a great train wreck here and the bridge collapsed. Present day, this is where it was, so that's why we came here. Maybe we will find a train wheel. Never know. Whew. Got him. Whew. Throw that to our big long rebar collection pile we got going on here. Look at the size of that rebar. Jeez. We're setting some records today with our rebar length. And you got a ring of some sort on there too. I don't know what that is. It's a workout. good one, but ew, gross, grody. I do not know what this is, but it is super heavy. Oh, jeez, oh Pete's. Probably just some rebar and concrete. Yeah, rebar in the concrete. Woohoo! Not. I don't know what this is, guys. I don't know what it looks like yet. Let's see what it is. I see some yellow. Oh, I bet this is one of those construction things. With the lights? Maybe? No. I know what this is. I don't know. You guys know? Maybe it is a light. I can't tell. It's been in there for a long time, maybe. So, does anybody know what this is? Like, hey, wait, you know, I guess it could be an old bell, maybe? From a bicycle? And this is the handlebar? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not sure. What is this thing here? I'm not quite sure. It's just a little thing though. What is this? Woo!
I think you got part of it.
Part of
I
something.
really do. That looks. I think that might be part of it.
It's so old. Look at that brown color, that rust color.
Yeah. You can see the bottom. Some of the rivers we fish.
What is this? It's old, that's for sure. Oh, what do I have? It's something shiny. Looks like a butter knife. It is a butter knife. Ha. Got me a butter knife, guys. Woohoo! Ah. That thing's kind of cool looking. And of course, some rebar. What is this thing? It's got some kind of stuff on there. Ooh, I don't know. All right, what is this? Ugh. Is this maybe an old tailpipe? Somebody's exhaust? That's an old one. Cool. What is this? Oh, it's heavy, that's what it is. Oh, jeez.
You and the battler.
What is it?
Hey.
Oh.
You can go ahead and this for sure. Strap hanging on it.
Okay. Ooh. Right. Oh. Ha! Ha!
That was fishing.
Was it?
That's what
funny.
That noise was.
Oh, we got it. Because 2 magnets are better than 1.
Solid. Yeah.
Huh. What is this thing? Oh, look. We got some yarn. And then attached to the yarn is some rebar. That's funny. All right. We made it to the other side of the bridge. And we already got a tire rim. Check that thing out. I tell you what, look at the clams on that thing. That thing's been down there. You want me to help you? All right, guys, look what I just got. I got this rebar.
Looks like a big paper clip.
And it looks like a giant rebar paper clip. You are correct. I've never really gotten rebar that's shaped like that, bent like that. That's weird. All right, finally got that rim back going. This current is crazy strong here, guys.
Grab it when it comes up there.
All right. Oh, I got some. I didn't realize that. I thought that was just the current. let mine down for now so I can help Randy when that thing gets up here. Ooh.
It's a hot pumpkin.
All right, you're getting close to the bridge now. Oh. Is that a bra? Or what?
That's been in there for a while.
Is that a fishing net? Or it's
brassiere.
I think it's something. It's got a box and some rebar. It's a box of some sort. Kind of looks like an ammo box. That's what it's reminding me of. See what it is. Oh, maybe not. Or maybe so. Or let's just wait till it gets up here. No more guessing. All right, you're getting close to the bridge. Whew. Oh, looks like a CD player. Oh, looks like a CD player or like a radio or CB radio maybe or something. You don't know, but Rain's gonna get it. Oh, what is that? What is that? I can't even tell what that is. I know. Can't tell what it is. Kind of looks like a headlight or a grill.
It looks like one of those old. It's an old. I think it's one of those old.
Shoot. Oh. Wow, what is that? It's hollow.
They used to have.
You made me so nervous.
This is like that. If it is what I think it is. They used to have these full of kerosene with a wick.
Oh, yeah. I have some of those that are made
old school
out of ceramic. My brother gave me for Christmas a few years ago. Has a little wick, he put oil in it.
That's what I think that is.
Oh, snap, guys. I think I just got part of a grocery cart. Yeah, pretty sure. Let's find out. Oh, let's not find out. All right, so I got this thing up here. It is part of a grocery cart. It's a little baby grocery cart, though. I was gonna say we're right by a grocery store, but this is too old to be by the grocery store we're by.
That's old.
I don't even know.
Yeah.
So Randy just got another giant rebar paper clip. We've never even seen one before, and now we just saw two. That's crazy. All right, guys, so Randy just knocked himself out with the rebar in the nose. Look at that, he's got a bloody nose. Oh my gosh.
Get the first aid kit.
What is this thing, guys? Don't fall. Don't drop. What is that? I feel like this used to be a cash register. Maybe? Like, it could slide in there. I don't know, though. Possibly. See, it's got that spring down in there. Like to push the drawer out, maybe, even? I don't know. What do you guys think it is? Oh, well, looks like I got an exhaust pipe here. See the wrinkles on the metal. There. Ew. It's gonna crap on me. Ew. Oh my gosh, I think I finally got something other than rebar. We have probably gotten like hundreds of pounds of rebar from this bridge today. It's crazy how much rebar is down here. What is that though? so I just got this thing, guys. Sorry. What do you guys think this thing is? Got like the holes there. I don't know. Anybody? Tell you what, all day today, we've been finding these baby green rebars. I bet we have at least 20, 30 of these things. Jeez, look at all of this rebar. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, so we found another bridge. We are still in Mishawaka. Not exactly sure where we're at. We just found another bridge, still in Mishawaka. It's pretty cool. It's a nice little bridge, honestly. So Randy's already going. I left my gloves in the truck, so had to go grab them. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, first toss at our second bridge. Let's see what's out there. All right, that seems so much higher. What is that? I can't tell. Is that a scooter? I just got a scooter on my first toss. No way. No, a scooter. Like a razor. First throw. That one's been down there for a little bit. I got something else on my second toss. Something different than rebar, like the other bridge. Kind of looks like a bike pedal. No, maybe not. I'm not really sure. I don't know what that is. Alright, so I just got something else kind of weird that I don't know what it is. Maybe a maybe a bracelet or a watch band? I'm not really sure. Maybe. Snagged something, I think. What is it? I can't even tell what it is at this point. Ugh. What is that? Probably a piece of cable, I think. Yep, piece of cable. So, just snagged this thing here. It says AAR right there. I don't know what it is, but I tell you what, it's solidly heavy too. Ah, dang. AAR. I don't know. Wow, look at all of this stuff we pulled out of the river. Got that scooter back there and the rim and so much rebar. It's unreal. So we looked into a few things. This thing here is a smudge pot they used back in the construction and potholes back in the day. And I believe this here, and this is part of the train system from back in the day, and also the train telegraph system from back in the 1800s as well. We're not totally positive yet, but that's what we think. And this AAR stands for the Association of the American Railroads. So, I don't know, guys. Well, like and subscribe. Peace out.